This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy F06 5G. The Samsung Galaxy F06 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone that supports 5G connectivity, offering modern features at an affordable price. Now we will see the product features. The phone has a 6.7-inch HD plus LCD screen, provides clear and bright visuals for daily use. The display has a 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animations feel smoother. This smartphone has a display resolution of 720 into 1600 pixels and it delivers clear visuals. This smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chip processor, which ensure smooth multitasking and efficient performance. This smartphone available in two versions: 4 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage. This smartphone has a rear camera and it has a dual setup with a 50 MP main sensor and 2 MP secondary sensor, which captures detailed and clear photos. This smartphone has 8 MP front camera suitable for selfies and video calls. This smartphone equipped with 5000 mAh battery, which offers long-lasting usage throughout the day. This smartphone runs on Android 15 operating system with Samsung's One UI 7, and it provides the latest features and security updates. This smartphone supports 5G connectivity and it also supports 12 different 5G bands, which ensure fast internet speeds and better network coverage. This smartphone supports expandable storage. It includes a micro SD slot, allowing users to increase storage capacity as needed. This smartphone has a dual SIM capability and it supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C port, and 3.5 headphone jack. This smartphone has side-mounted fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking, accelerometer, proximity sensor, and compass. It also supports voice focus for clearer calls. What are the advantages of this smartphone? First point is affordable 5G. Offers 5G capabilities at a budget-friendly price, making advanced connectivity accessible. The second point is large display. The 6.7-inch screen enhances the experience for watching videos, browsing, and gaming. Third point is long battery life. The 5000 mAh battery supports extended use without frequent charging. Fourth point is expandable storage. The micro SD slot provides flexibility to increase storage capacity. What are the limitations of this smartphone? First point is display resolution. The 720 pixel resolution may not be as sharp as high resolution screens. Second point is charging speed. While this smartphone supports 25-watt fast charging, the charger is sold separately, which may be an additional expenses. Third point is plastic build. The phone has a plastic back and frame, which might not feel as premium as metal or glass. What are the customers' positive feedback? First point is excellent battery life. Many users have praised the long-lasting battery. Second point is good performance for the price. Users find the phone performs well for everyday tasks and light usage. Third point is smooth display. The 90 Hz refresh rate is appreciated for providing a smoother visual experience. Fourth point is value for money. Customers feel this smartphone offers a good set of features for its price point. Fifth point is nice design and look. The phone's design and color options are well received. This smartphone is good for basic photography. Users are satisfied with the main camera's performance in good lighting conditions. In India, the price of this smartphone ranges from 9,499 rupees to 11,500 rupees based on configurations.